Welcome friends. In this Eclipse tutorial, I'll show you how to set an optimized environment for C and C++ development. Again, you can use the same development environment for any other languages if you want to develop that with Eclipse. This is our workspace. Now, I'll give you some preferences that you should use while developing any program or application. It is up to you to use the same or different. Feel free to use and make your own preferences so that you'll be comfortable while developing. Project Explorer is one of the very important thing, so we'll keep it here. But while coding, we will just minimize that because we need not to look at that while we are coding. However, we need this while looking to the entire project. Console, outline, make target and task list. These are also important things, but we don't need them right now. Right now, we don't need them, but we'll keep it. For that, we'll click on the title and we'll take them here. So this is our console, because in C and C++ we'll be working with console based applications and we will need this console to have a look at our output. We will minimize this one and we will drag our console a little bit. So this will be our standard development environment. To create a new file, we have to go and restore this Project Explorer. Inside this project, right click and go to new. From here we can create any new file. Mostly we will be creating these source files or just simply file. If we want to add a new folder, we can do that from here, and if we want to add a new project, we can do that from here. So this was a very introductory tutorial of Eclipse IDE, and hope you enjoyed the series of Eclipse. Thank you.